We at UPAT Infotronicx Private Limited offer a comprehensive EM Enterprise Asset Management or CMMS computerized maintenance management system which is specially designed to reduce cost and improve organization bottom line. Infotronicx CMMS is widely being adopted to manage and control asset maintenance in three main focus industries. These industries are facility maintenance, plant maintenance and lastly fleet maintenance. These three main industries focus on Infotronicx CMMS extensively to reduce emergency breakdowns, improve their asset uptime and reduce unnecessary wastage of inventory. Thus, with the improved asset productivity to a higher state of efficiency and throughput ultimately improve their company's profitability. We provide our enterprise asset management solutions to pharmaceuticals companies, manufacturing companies, heavy industries, power plants, refineries, automotive manufacturing plants etc. for their comprehensive enterprise asset management needs. 2 decades of experience, knowledge and principles in maintenance management industry have been incorporated into the development of Infotronicx CMMS. Infotronicx CMMS design and development structure strongly stressed on the following fundamentals: ease of use, simplicity, flexibility, mobility and reusability. With these fundamentals, Infotronicx CMMS has been tested and applied successfully in multiple industries like pharmaceutical plants, manufacturing, machine maintenance, where critical breakdowns could lead to the heavy business losses, as in the fleet industry like seaports. Accidents are mainly caused by poor preventive measures which consequently incur unnecessary delays in shipments and opportunity cost. In recent years, private companies and government sectors have come to recognize the value of Infotronicx CMMS as a maintenance performance and improvement tool. With the advent of the Internet and cloud-based software solutions, it has further boosted Infotronicx CMMS popularity as cost of purchasing it is affordable and the return of investment is enormous. Companies are also investing in Infotronicx CMMS because they are generally designed to support the document control requirements of ISO 9002 and play an integral part in the total productive maintenance philosophy. Contact UPAT Infotronicx Private Limited's enterprise sales team on email sales@infotronicx.com or call on 9179265740006 or mobile 91990994315 or visit us online www.infotronicx.com.